Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
Ayubowan, working together for a sustainable tea industry.
We are proud to be part of the sustainable tea industry.
Feliz de tenerte en mi vida.
We are Lipton Teas and Infusion, and our commitment is to drive value for people and our planet.
Our world-class brands include Lipton, Tazo, Red Rose, and B Corp certified Pukka. Cheers!
Happy International Day of Tea. Cheers.
At Bigelow Tea, we are all committed to maintaining a sustainable tea industry. Cheers.
Tetley Tea is proud to be part of a sustainable tea industry.
By blending organic, we're doing our part in keeping the tea industry sustainable. Thank you, tea.
We raise our cups to sustainability.
Cheers, I love a good cup of nourished tea.
Cheers.
Joelle Tea is proud to be part of the chain which nurtures the industry.
Cheers! Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
Cheers from Twinings.
People of Kenya supports a sustainable tea industry.
Cheers!
We raise our cups to those amazing men and women who cultivate lands and sustainable practices.
Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
To me, drink to your health. Happy International Tea Day.
Cheers. Happy International Tea Day from the Tea Association of the USA in support of a sustainable industry.
Hokusan Tea Canada is proud and excited to be working for sustainable tea industry.
Jalinga Tea, working towards a sustainable tea industry.
Working together for a sustainable tea industry. Cheers.
Working together for a sustainable tea industry.
The Tea and Herbal Association of Canada is proud to be a part of the chain which nurtures this industry.
I am proud and honored to be a steward, protecting this industry and working towards sustainability for generations to come. Cheers.